Inland, Steering and Sailing Rules. Section 2, Conduct of Vessels inside of one another. Rule 12, Sailing Vessels. Section 83.12.
This rule applies only when risk of collision exists between two sailing vessels, and only one of the sailing vessels is required to take avoiding action. Also, two operative words used in this rule are windward, upwind or the side facing the wind, and leeward, downwind or the side sheltered from the wind. A word not mentioned in this rule but worth knowing is tack. Sailboaters may use tack to describe the windward side. For example, a sailboat on a port tack has the wind coming from her port side.
When two sailing vessels are approaching one another so as to involve risk of collision, one of them shall keep out of the way of the other as follows. When each has the wind on a different side, the vessel which has the wind on the port side shall keep out of the way of the other. When both have the wind on the same side, the vessel which is to windward shall keep out of the way of the vessel which is to leeward.
The windward sailing vessel may be blocking the wind from reaching the downwind vessel. Thus, the windward vessel is obligated to take avoiding action.
If a vessel with the wind on the port side sees a vessel to windward and cannot determine with certainty whether the other vessel has the wind on the port or on the starboard side, she shall keep out of the way of the other.
This situation is likely to occur at night or during reduced visibility. Notice overtaking situation is not mentioned for sailing vessels in Rule 12. Rule 13 deals with overtaking situations for all types of vessels, sailing vessels included.
For the purpose of this rule, the windward side shall be deemed to be the side opposite to that on which the mainsail is carried, or, in the case of a square-rigged vessel, the side opposite to that on which the largest fore and aft sail is carried.